guys, today I'm going to introduce you one of my favorite fruits in Japan. It's called Doria. Doria is a rice gratin, and I've been into Doria very much since self-isolation because I find it very comforting. And today I'm at one of my favorite restaurants, Doria restaurant. It's a chain store called Kobe Motomachi Doria. And all the selection is really amazing. I think they have a large variety of Doria with lots of different ingredients, and all the Doria are very delicious. Today we're going to have one that goes with the lunch set, so there will be a salad and a soup for a very reasonable price, about 11 bucks. And you'll see that the quantities are pretty big here. Kobe Motomachi Doria is one of my favorite places to have Doria. Let's do it, let's eat now! So that's a lunch set that comes with a soup and a salad and the amazing, delicious, super good smelling Doria. That really smells divine, guys. So I have introduced to Doria from restaurant and they were really scrumptious, but as you will see, we can also order Doria online, especially from my friend Dominique Doucet. It's just such a great help when I have cravings for Doria because I can enjoy it at home. We have, let me show you the few selection we have today. So we have the seafood Doria, spicy chicken, vegetables and salmon. And the only thing you have to do is to add the cheese on top of your Doria. So Dominique's Doria are really convenient because what you have to do is just to defrost them for about 4.5 minutes. Then you add the cheese and grill a little bit in the oven. What we are going to do, that's what we are going to do right now. Voila. And then, bon appetit! Okay, so let's see how, oh my god, this looks amazing. Our delicious looking Doria, rice gratin. Gratin de riz, c'est trop bon. Yes. Can you see the rice under? Oh my god, there is a big chunk. Yes. Okay, that's the shrimp. Oh yes! Very nice. Okay.
Wow!
Let's go.
Spicy chicken dory.
Oh! Là-bas! Oh my god! あ、あるよ。
なんで？
置いてあるで。
それは何？トマトを取るから。
え、ほんま？